We have been having the most ridiculous winter. Tons of snow followed by a deep freeze, which has made me go a little bit crazy on bird feeders. I bought another suet feeder and I filled up the other 2 feeders that I have. That one, which I had to repair because it's made of plastic and is getting ready to crack. And this one here outside my back door, which both of them are filled with a parfait of peanut hearts and sunflower seeds. But mostly I don't put extra food out for the birds. I plant things like my holly and I leave the seeds standing on a lot of the plants. There's rose hips for the birds to eat. And look, there's not very many here. The birds have been really eating them. I don't think the deer get in the yard or have gotten in the yard recently. But I need to put a new cake in there. I think these are rabbit poops. Can someone tell me if these are rabbit poops? My birds should like that one. That must be Rabbit. She's falling through the snow. Oop. I don't want to walk out there. But there's more seeds from daylilies. No, those are irises out there. Oh, wow. It's deep. Well, that is gonna have to do it because it is too cold. I think it's 30 degrees, which is the highest it's been for a week. And it's the highest it's gonna be for the next 10 days right now. So I figured I'd better get out because we have been hunkering down through this. Thank you so much for being with me and Freya today and for walking around in the snow.